Hey y'all, here we have the Pennsylvania Golden Pawpaw number 2, and we have blooms on this also, and look, already some fruit set. So we'll see if we get fruit off of this year. This tree is super tall. It's taller than me. I'm 6'1". This tree is probably 6'4", 6'5". Looking super tall, looking beautiful. Love the shape. Lots of leaves. Got fruit, fruit set at least. We'll see how they taste. The leaves are looking wonderful. This tree is really thriving here, so can't wait till we get some fruit off of this. Seems to be doing excellent. Keep you updated. But that's the Pennsylvania Golden Pawpaw number 2 for the month of April.